Harnessing the power of business intelligence to boost your small business performance. Business intelligence, what does it mean? Business intelligence, BI, is a crucial tool for businesses that want to stay competitive and make data-driven decisions. But what does BI mean, and how can it be used to help a business? Business intelligence is the practice of gathering, analyzing, and interpreting data to gain insights into a business's operations. It involves collecting data from internal sources such as customer records, financial statements, and operational reports, and external sources such as market research and customer feedback. This data is then analyzed to identify trends and patterns that can inform decision-making. 10 steps to jumpstart your business intelligence strategy. Business intelligence, BI, helps organizations to make intelligent decisions, stay one step ahead of the competition, and provide a valuable edge in today's highly competitive markets. Starting a business intelligence strategy for your small business can help you drive valuable insights quickly and cost-effectively. Here's how to get started. 1. Identify business objectives. Your strategic objectives should serve as the basis of any business intelligence initiative. They must align with those of your organization. You should think creatively if the specific goals are not obtainable due to the current climate. Once you have identified the objectives, it is essential to determine how they will be measured. This could include metrics such as customer satisfaction, sales growth, or cost savings. It is also essential to consider the resources needed to achieve these objectives and the timeline for doing so. 2. Establish key performance indicators, KPIs. Once you have developed specific goals, it's time to establish key performance indicators, KPIs. KPIs can give you an idea of your company's performance and help identify areas that need improvement or optimization. Developing relevant KPIs should be one of the top priorities when creating a business intelligence strategy. They provide an easy-to-understand way to track performance and can be used to identify areas where improvements can be made. When establishing KPIs, it's essential to consider your business's most relevant and vital metrics. 3. Collect data and assess your data quality. Business intelligence solutions rely heavily on data accuracy and availability to generate meaningful insights, so you must ensure that both elements are hygienic before you delve into analysis or dashboarding. When collecting data from diverse sources, there should be checks for holes and anomalies, such as redundant fields or missing records, which will throw off your returns when dealing with larger sets. Data quality assessment should be done regularly to ensure that the data is up to date and accurate. This can be done by running tests such as completeness, accuracy, consistency, validity, and integrity checks. 4. Analyze data for insights. Data analysis is vital for using BI effectively, as it helps interpret data trends and patterns to turn them into actionable insights. Utilizing software tools such as ClickView or Tableau can be extremely helpful when analyzing large datasets. Data analysis can help small businesses identify areas where they are underperforming and adjust their operations. Analyzing data can also provide valuable information about the competition. Companies can gain a competitive edge by understanding what strategies their rivals are using, how successful they are, and what areas of improvement may be necessary to stay ahead in the market. Data analysis provides an opportunity to identify opportunities for growth and expansion. 5. Leverage automation and AI. Once you have identified meaningful insights from the data analysis, it's time to leverage automation and AI to boost your business performance. Automation can help streamline processes, reduce costs, and increase efficiency. AI can also be used for predictive analytics, which provides valuable insights into future trends and customer behavior. This can help businesses make informed decisions about product development, pricing strategies, and marketing campaigns. 6. Monitor performance and make adjustments. Once the data analysis and automated processes are in place, monitoring their performance over time is essential to ensure that goals are being met and adjustments can be made if necessary. Utilizing dashboards and analytics tools can help you track progress and identify areas where improvement is needed. 7. Develop analyzable dashboard reports and visualizations. To truly understand what's happening across operations, you should build analyzable dashboard reports and visualizations from the gathered data or run customized queries via the BI tool. Using Tableau Desktop or manually producing microsite landing pages via HTML coding could assist in this area when more specific approaches are needed rather than standard BI reporting features already included within most competitors' products today. Learning how data patterns influence customer behavior around marketing campaigns/events and broader product/service offerings before outcomes impact brand perception negatively if not tracked closely enough during launch stages until further optimization cycles occur post-launch. Eight. Develop communication and collaboration strategies. Often overlooked at first but paramount given organizational buy-in is crafting strategies whereby everyone who should be involved in decision-making processes has access to necessary data points, reports, and dashboards. Communication and collaboration strategies are essential for the success of any business, but small companies. Developing effective communication and collaboration strategies is key to ensuring that all stakeholders have access to the data and information they need to make informed decisions and understand how their roles fit into the organization's overall objectives. One way to ensure effective communication and collaboration is through a comprehensive business intelligence system. Business intelligence systems can provide real-time insights into customer behavior, market trends, operational performance, and more. Furthermore, by utilizing a business intelligence system, small businesses can create an environment where employees feel empowered to collaborate, share ideas, and make informed decisions. 9. Schedule and manage reporting cycles. Business intelligence systems allow small businesses to set up and manage reporting cycles. This will enable them to keep track of their performance and ensure they meet their goals. By establishing reporting cycles, small businesses can identify potential problems before they become critical issues, allowing them to take corrective action quickly and efficiently. Setting up reporting cycles is easy with business intelligence systems. All that needs to be done is to define the parameters of the report, such as frequency, scope, and data sources. Once these parameters are established, the system automatically generates reports according to the schedule. 10. Update and enhance the roadmap. Business intelligence systems provide a roadmap for small businesses to follow when making decisions. By understanding the available data, small businesses can develop strategies and plans tailored to their specific needs. This includes identifying areas of opportunity where they can improve their operations or take advantage of current trends in the market. Once the roadmap is updated, small businesses can begin exploring ways to leverage the data for competitive advantage. This includes looking for patterns or insights that can help them make better decisions about pricing, marketing, product development, customer service, and more. Conclusion. In conclusion, harnessing the power of business intelligence and analytics can be an excellent way for small businesses to increase their performance and profits. Tools provide the data needed to make informed decisions, while analytics helps to uncover actionable insights from that data. By leveraging these two powerful tools, small businesses can gain a competitive edge in their industry and improve their operations. Visit us, ksocials.com.